What if I told you the okra you're buying from the store is already losing its flavor, nutrients, and freshness before it even reaches your kitchen? And what if growing your own okra at home was not only easier than you think, but could give you bigger, softer, chemical-free pods in just a few weeks? Most people believe okra, also known as ladyfinger, is a difficult plant. They think it needs a big garden, perfect weather, and expert skills. But the truth is, one small mistake is all it takes to ruin your harvest. Thin plants, hard pods, low yield. I made that mistake too. At first, my okra plants looked healthy, but the results were disappointing. The pods were small, tough, and nothing like the fresh, tender ones I expected. That's when I realized it's not about just planting seeds, it's about knowing the secrets behind how okra really grows. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly what changed everything for me. You'll learn the simple planting trick that boosts germination instantly, the hidden watering mistake that most beginners make, and a powerful natural fertilizer method that makes your okra grow faster, greener, and more productive than store-bought. By the end of this video, you'll know how to grow unlimited fresh okra at home, even if you've never gardened before. Let's get started. Perfect Start Seed and Soil Secrets. Growing great okra starts before the plant even touches the soil. Most people just plant seeds directly and hope for the best, but that's where they lose half their success. Okra seeds have a hard outer shell, which slows germination. The secret? Soak the seeds in water for 8-12 hours before planting. This softens the shell and helps them sprout faster and stronger. Next comes soil. Okra loves warm, loose, and well-draining soil. If your soil is heavy or compact, roots won't grow properly. Mix in compost, organic matter to improve texture and nutrients. Choose a spot that gets full sunlight, at least 6 to 8 hours daily. Without enough sun, your plants will grow weak and produce fewer pods. Plant the seeds about 1 inch deep and keep some space between them. Within days, you'll start seeing healthy seedlings emerge too. Watering and growth mistakes to avoid watering seems simple, but it's where most people go wrong. Too much water can rot the roots, while too little can stunt growth. Okra prefers consistent moisture, not soggy soil. The key is to water deeply but less frequently. Let the top layer of soil dry slightly before watering again. Another mistake is watering from above. Wet leaves can invite diseases and pests. Always water at the base of the plant. Morning watering works best because it gives plants time to absorb moisture before the heat of the day. As your okra grows, you'll notice it shoots up quickly. But fast growth doesn't always mean healthy growth. If plants look tall but weak, they're likely not getting enough sunlight or nutrients. Support your plants if needed and remove any yellow or damaged leaves early to keep the plant focused on healthy growth. Powerful natural fertilizer trick if you want bigger, greener, and more productive okra. Fertilizer is the game changer, but you don't need expensive chemical products. A simple homemade solution can do wonders. One of the best natural fertilizers is compost tea or diluted liquid fertilizer made from kitchen waste. Banana peels, for example, are rich in potassium, which helps in flowering and fruiting. Soak them in water for a day or two, then use that water to feed your plants. You can also use compost or well-rotted manure every few weeks to boost soil health. Apply it around the base, not directly on the stem. Pour it up. Too much nitrogen will give you lots of leaves but fewer pods. Balance is key. With the right feeding, your okra plants will produce continuously and abundantly. Harvesting for maximum yield. The final secret to beating store-bought okra is harvesting at the right time. Many people wait too long, thinking bigger pods are better, but that's a mistake. Overgrown okra becomes tough, fibrous, and less tasty. The best time to harvest is when pods are about 2 to 4 inches long. At this stage, they are tender and perfect for cooking. Check your plants every day because okra grows fast. Sometimes you'll miss the perfect size in just a day or two. Use scissors or gently snap the pods off to avoid damaging the plant. Regular harvesting actually encourages the plant to produce more pods. The more you pick, the more it grows. With proper care, your okra plants can keep producing for weeks, fresh, soft, and chemical-free, far better than anything from the store. And that's the real reward of growing your own.